Welcome to the beautiful property nestled in the picturesque area of Island View. Prepare to be captivated by the breathtaking sea and mountain views that adorn every room, transforming this nearly brand new property into a true sanctuary to call home. As you step inside, be prepared to be delighted by the spacious layout and elegant design, featuring top-of-the-line finishes. Entertaining family and friends will be an absolute treat in the open-plan kitchen and living area, perfectly complemented by a built-in braai for those cherished summer evenings with your loved ones. Step outside through the sliding doors and you'll find yourself in a private garden that offers an astonishing 180-degree panorama of the sea, creating an idyllic space to unwind and recharge. The main bedroom is a haven of space and comfort, complete with a luxurious en-suite bathroom. Equally impressive are the second and third bedrooms, each with their own balcony, allowing you to wake up to the awe-inspiring view of ocean and mountains. Conveniently located just minutes away from Mossel Bay, with easy access to the highway leading to George or Cape Town, this property is a harmonious blend of comfort and extravagance. Enjoy quick access to all the amenities you desire while indulging in the tranquility and serenity of Island View. An extra large garage spanning 54 square meters provides the ideal haven for any handyman, offering ample space for tools, machinery, and a perfect workspace. This is your golden opportunity to seize the dream home you've always longed for. Don't let it slip through your fingers.